And how much time did you take to restore it?
Almost 1 year. Main time was in procuring the parts because the target was to make it factory fresh. Some parts we got, some we had to fabricate. And बस वो ओरिजिनलिटी के चक्कर में थोड़ा सा टाइम ज़्यादा लग गया.
Mechanically steering and all, it was working fine.
मतलब काम चलाओ ठीक था, चल रहा था obviously, but I did not cross 80. Main part was it was all original. 1,36,000 kilometers done originally. And these are old industrial engines, इनका कुछ बिगड़ता भी नहीं. As far as I have read, so this is an old Peugeot engine.
Okay.
तो 3-3 लाख किलोमीटर चल जाते हैं without problem. कोई ऐसा इशू नहीं है. So we finally took it to Ludhiana. वहाँ पे we got it loaded up in a trailer, and then it came to Gurgaon.
Dude, this thing had power windows. This thing had power windows. You prefer not to send those cars to their actual workshops, and you prefer working on those cars on your own with your own hands.
So दो चीज़ें हैं. First thing is obviously you save a lot of money by not sending the car there, and second thing is you get to learn a lot about cars.
According to you, what is it about the Tata cars that you have always been fascinated with?
See, so Safari was something which I think since childhood that was an aspiration to buy. This car got discontinued back in 2002 or 3. So then it was replaced by the Safari. So we had booked the car in 2006, I think. But that time it was the old Dicor engine. But we came to know that something new is going to come. So we cancelled that booking. And then we finally got our hands on the new Dicor, the 2.2 Dicor. These are all original. No modification, no alteration. These are still original till date. ये जहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत फटा था, we are just pasted leather.
This thing is held up, yaar.
Yeah, just in order to maintain the originality of this, we have not changed. And this is
even the dash, right? It's
yes,
fully original.
Even this door cover is all original. छोटा मोटा wear and tear है इसमें, as you can see.
तो चलो.
But I've kept it original, not changed. So
Brilliant.
They say we never really grow up. Our toys just get bigger. For a young boy in India, the dream didn't start with a supercar on a poster. It started with a shape, a bold, unapologetic silhouette that redefined what an Indian car could be. The Tata Sierra wasn't just an SUV. It was a statement of a nation finding its wings, led by the vision of a man who believed we could be world class. For Rishabh, that dream was small enough to fit in his palm as a toy. But decades later, the obsession led him to a quiet corner of Punjab, to a 30-year-old machine preserved by a gentleman crossing oceans. This isn't just a restoration, it's a 100% factory spec tribute to an era of soul, steel, and a legacy that refuses to fade.
Usually for people, I mean majorly, I would just putting the enthusiast aside, for people cars are like for a medium to move from point A to point B.
correct.
तेरा हिसाब किताब कुछ अलग है. तुम एक तो you have a very big or very huge heart for I think collecting cars, keeping them for 1 year and then selling them off. I still can't keep a track of your cars. Point number 2 is I have noticed that some of the machines that you have owned are, I would call them classics, because simply because of one reason कि कहीं ना कहीं उनकी एक जो aura है उन गाड़ियों के, they have a very special aura.
Right.
Like including this one, including the SLK that you had and a couple of more that you have earlier owned. So what is it about these classics, or should I say very popular faces of these popular cars that makes you want to keep them?
Right.
What is it about these cars that you fall for?
So talking about my passion for cars, so it is in the blood. So my father is really fond of cars, and that is how I think घर में अगर कोई है जिनको गाड़ी पसंद है, so that is how you also get access to that. मतलब I have seen so many friends who are interested, but because their parents don't like cars, तो वो उनको भी नहीं लेने देते कि यार क्या करेगा लेके. But thankfully my dad loves cars, so that is how he allows me also.
He used to also be a collector in his times.
No, not a collector in his times, but gradually साथ में मिलके हमारा शौक grow कर गया, and so I find cars and he funds me for the cars. So that is how we keep buying new cars, old cars, unique cars. And yes.
And which was one of the first cars, or should I say classic cars, that you have bought?
Talking about classic cars, I think first one was my Porsche Cayman S, which was a 2010 model and one of a kind. I think there are only 12 or 13 cars. So that was one car with a 3.4 liter 6-cylinder boxer engine, naturally aspirated.
Okay.
turbo.
Just for the audience, when I say classic cars, हम प्योर क्लासिक कार्स की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं कि लोग सोचे कि विंटेज कार्स है. When we are talking classic cars, we basically mean those cars that are very unique in their own ways, which are very limited in numbers, and they have a sort of purity in them. So yeah, for in this conversation, that is what we mean when we say classic cars. So continue.
So that Cayman was a rare spec vehicle. So it was owned by a gentleman in Delhi who had, and that was one of the first two cars which was imported in India.
Okay.
One was a yellow car which came in Mumbai, and this was the second car, the white one. And this was a fully loaded automatic spec car, and he had spec'd it really high. It had the triple radiator package, the Porsche Sport Chrono package, Alcantara seats, the Porsche communication management, dynamic lighting system, and so many things.
If I remember correctly, it was a PDK that you had.
Yes, it was the PDK. So this generation was the first one to offer the PDK, the 987.2. And the same engine was carried forward to the next generation, the 981. And after that, the 718 came with the 2-liter.
You've
turbo.
never tracked it?
Yes, I have been to the track with that car. It was a really nice experience. And on the track, I remember we were basically trying to tailgate this 911 GT3.
Oh.
So GT3 is made for the track. My car is not. So उसके पीछे चलते चलते we lost a track of cool down laps. So I did 5 hot laps back to back, and after the back straight, when we were coming, so I literally lost my brakes. I pressed the brake pedal and the brake pedal did not come back. So I was driving with Bhuvan. Immediately I switched to the manual mode, downshifted quickly, and thankfully I was able to slow down the vehicle.
Dude, that's some level of presence of mind.
Yes.
लोगों का ऐसी situation में दिमाग नहीं काम करता.
Right, so that was really shocking, but it was a really fun to drive machine.
Okay.
And all these cars also taught me a lot about cars. Like buying that car, so it was a mid-engine layout, and everything was behind the driver's seat. So the access to the engine was very much packed, very limited access. So while driving, once we lost the AC. Well, एकदम से AC चला गया, and we diagnosed कि क्या हुआ होगा, चलो AC का let's open, let's see. So there was a fan behind the driver's seat, which basically cooled the engine bay, and the AC pipe was behind that fan, which cut that pipe. So we literally opened the car in my own home, in my garage, in my basement, and we were 4 or 5 people together. We took 2 days of time, and we were able to do that pipe change on our own. So
that brings me to my another thing I had in my mind ki I have noticed that usually any car that you have, you prefer not to send those cars to their actual workshops, and you prefer working on those cars on your own with your own hands.
right.
ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा क्या मतलब what exactly do you gain out of it?
So दो चीज़ें हैं. First thing is obviously you save a lot of money by not sending the car there, and second thing is you get to learn a lot about cars and the passion with which you work on them. So it is really rewarding once you have successfully finished the task. So it's really rewarding for you.
That's fine, but like dude, like a car like Porsche, you know, messing around with that kind of a car with your own hands, और फिर तुम ऐसी सिचुएशन में आ जाओ कि अब पता नहीं क्या करना है.
वो भी हो जाता है कई बार. There are times, like I think long time back we were replacing my Laura's clutch. तो क्लच खोलते खोलते हमने उसका हीटर कोर का पाइप तोड़ दिया था, which basically sends coolant to the heater core inside to heat your cabin inside. तो वो तोड़ दिया था. तो obviously चीज़ें ख़राब भी करी हैं और ख़राब करके भी सीखा है, बट वो कीड़ा है कि नहीं खोलना है तो यार खुद ही खोलेंगे, देखेंगे क्या है.
Interesting.
Then after the Porsche, I think I had my SLK. So SLK was something which I
SLK
also,
was which year manufacturing?
This was a 2011, one of the last lot, R171. So this is the F1 nose SLK. इसको F1 nose बोलते हैं because it is very similar looking to the SLR McLaren.
Okay.
Yes. So this was something which I saw in my childhood. So my neighbor owned one in 2006. He bought a brand new SLK 350 back then. और उसके बाद I remember Dawn movie में ये गाड़ी थी शाहरुख खान के पास. So he did a stunt with that. He basically went under the truck उस गाड़ी से. तो बड़ी पसंद थी. Porsche के बाद SLK was obviously a big downgrade. But वो था कि नहीं यार, SLK basically लेनी है with that the special F1 nose वाली SLK.
Downgrade तो नहीं है यार. I mean,
नहीं, considering power, definitely it was a downgrade. But overall, yes, it was a different car altogether.
but dude, you're going topless.
Yeah. So then काफ़ी दिन hunt चला. तो hunt for these cars is also not easy. So you have to keep hunting around. And I'm very particular about something कि original गाड़ी मिलनी चाहिए. बनी हुई वैसी गाड़ी नहीं चाहिए. मतलब ऑल्दो ठीक है अगर गाड़ी पे स्क्रैचेस हैं, आई एम ओके बाइंग दैट कार एंड डूइंग इट माई सेल्फ rather than समथिंग जो कि ऑलरेडी रिपेयर्ड है. Because while buying my Porsche, I came across another car. So when I saw the car, so the doors were a bit messed up. Baki the car was looking clean. But when we inquired further, we came to know that the doors were the only original part in that car. Baki puri gaadi sandwich ho chuki thi in an
You're
accident.
talking about the
One Boxster. When I was
Boxster.
searching for my Cayman.
Okay,
So
okay,
there
okay,
was a
okay.
rare spec Boxster which was a manual transmission and all.
doors was the only original
They were
thing
the
about
only
it.
original part in that car. So that is why I always prefer something which is original and not basically modified or repaired. So
But then haven't you gone through so many cases that, you know, where people are claiming that it's an original spec, 100% original spec, but how do you end up
I
checking?
think every dealer claims their car is original. कुछ भी paint नहीं हुआ है. Everything is original. But I think when you over the experience, so like first thing is experience and second thing is also you have to carry sometimes a paint thickness meter, which helps you identify that whether these panels have been painted or not. But अब इतने साल में तो experience हो गया कि दूर से देख के आप बता देते हो हाँ यार इसमें तो वेवीनेस है ये तो repaint है.
हाँ वो तो खैर पता चल जाता है.
Right. तो वो over the years समझ में आ गया.
But amongst all these cars that you have owned, I mean, definitely some of them are, you know, modern cars only, जिसमें कि maintenance में उतना शायद issue नहीं आया होगा.
Right.
But then tell me some of those cars probably which have been the hardest to maintain or have taken a lot of work to bring them back to spec.
So what I feel is मतलब people say that हाँ ये गाड़ी अच्छी नहीं है ये गाड़ी सही है. Skodas का जैसे बहुत नाम खराब था एक टाइम पे कि हाँ they are very hard to maintain.
But you had the MK1 na, I think.
I had the MK1 VRS, then I also had the Mark II Laura.
Okay.
So I had both of them. But what over the past ownership of all these cars, what I understood was, except for a mechanical manufacturing defect, other things are okay. मतलब you can sort them out. But if there is a manufacturing defect, only then there is an issue. So that thing was there with my Laura. So that was a 2010 model, and in that car I remember there was a timing chain tensioner failure globally.
Okay.
So the problem was the timing chain used to randomly jump because of the tensioner.
Oh, okay.
And your intake valve used to basically hit the piston.
Okay.
And your engine used to be dead. So for that I had read some technical service bulletins and I requested Skoda that at least get it changed in my car, and I'm ready to pay for it, because what they used to do it whenever the engine used to fail, so they used to give you some, I think 50% of cashback or something. Matlab, I think it was a 6 lakh rupee engine back then.
Okay.
But spending 3 lakhs is not less. And globally, in case there was an engine failure, I think it was in less than 1% of the cars.
Okay.
So they used to replace the engine free of cost. So I specially wrote a mail to Skoda, and my car was the first car which had that entire thing upgraded to the newer part. And after that, I got it done in so many friends' cars.
It sounds something very similar to what I experienced in my Superb. I don't know if you remember it. Mechatron fail हो गया था उसका.
Okay, हाँ.
And then
DQ
फिर
200.
हाँ. DQ 200 था.
DQ 200
Right.
petrol.
It was a diesel Superb. I
अच्छा, it
remember.
was a diesel ना.
It
That's
was a
a
diesel.
DQ 250. हाँ, okay.
हाँ.
Okay.
तो anyhow उसके अंदर फिर यही हुआ, and none of the dealerships were this thing to agree to it कि हाँ there is a fault in it. But then again I had to write to Skoda, and Skoda very sweetly agreed to it, and I was very shocked. The car was, I think, done 7 years already.
Okay.
And Skoda was very kind, and they mentioned and they agreed कि हाँ there has been a failure. It's a global thing that is happening,
Right.
so we'll be happy to change it free of cost for you.
Oh, that's nice.
And as a marketing stunt, when the car was in the workshop for like 10, 12 days or 15 days, whatever, they sent a brand new Octavia TSI that time
Wow.
to me कि आप चलाओ.
क्या बात है, very nice. Ah, these are some sweet gestures by brands which definitely
Absolutely.
you remember and you recommend people.
Absolutely.
So I think these mechanical failures are something like which are known. That is something difficult. But उसके अलावा I think maintaining any car is easy as long as you're doing your oil changes and basic service on time and maintaining it properly. So
True.
I don't think there is any
And ultimately it's a
problem as
machine.
such. Yeah.
हाँ.
And
Hopefully till whenever these machines exist
Right.
and not taken over completely by batteries, which I don't think कभी होगा.
हाँ, even I
not
don't
in
think.
the
I
very
don't
near
think,
future. But coming to my next question, which actually I was waiting to come to the next question, is that I've noticed that you have had always a special affinity for some of the iconic Tata machines, including this one, and before this you also had the Safari.
Right.
And what is it about the Tata vehicles? Because I remember when you had the Safari also, you used to rave about the Safari. And I have noticed anybody who has owned the OG Safari still raves about it. And myself, I drove that car. Putting aside the quality of you know, probably the interiors and the engine judders
Right.
and those kind of things, but I still feel जो driving stance उस गाड़ी का था आज तक nobody has been able to achieve.
Correct.
According to you, what is it about the Tata cars that you have always been fascinated with?
See, so Safari was something which I think since childhood that was an aspiration to buy. Especially originally it was the Sierra, but when as we grew, so I think Sierra was discontinued. This car got discontinued back in 2002 or 3. So then it was replaced by the Safari, and my father also loved the Safari. So we had booked the car in 2006, I think. But that time it was the old Dicor engine. But we came to know that something new is going to come. So we cancelled that booking. And then we finally got our hands on the new Dicor, the 2.2 Dicor, which was launched in 2007 end. So we got our hands in 2008. And I remember the ride quality of that car was something amazing. I think I was hardly, 16? It came on my 16th birthday, the Safari. And I think we had that car till 2009. So I used to travel to my college in that car. Even I have done autocross in that car, imagine. Autocross and मतलब
पलटी कैसे नहीं फिरी?
हाँ वही people say कि सफारी पलट जाती है, वो नहीं पलटती यार, मतलब literally I have done all kinds of things in autocross, even power slides on dirt. But I think once you know how to control the car, there's nothing. It's easy to control. And apart from that, the AC of that car was something amazing, and the road presence. Although उस time I don't think there were such cars. Scorpio was always more of a utilitarian vehicle, whereas Safari was even bigger in size, also more premium.
Safari, I had that, you know, sense of style in it. When the Scorpio came in, that sense of style was not there.
Right.
But Safari में वो चीज़ थी कहीं ना कहीं. You know, I still remember the first Safari, the rear roof rails, the grey colored
Yes,
roof rails, those small things ना. अब Sierra का ही ले लो, Sierra, like we'll come to Sierra, but you know, this kind of a glass. I don't think any other car,
Correct. In
except
India,
for the
no.
Ford Bronco in
Yeah,
US,
globally,
the
yes,
old
yes,
one.
Yes.
So what then after Safari? I think this is the second Tata that you have.
Yeah, this is the second Tata, and apart from this, I also have a Jaguar, which is now owned by Tata.
Please.
So but Safari, I also give, especially because of the good marketing which they did with the Safari that time. The Safari ads, they were something which made it even more appealing. The kind of older ads of the Dicor which you see, so they were really nostalgic ads.
Reclaim your life.
Reclaim your life and all. हाँ, तो वो एकदम मतलब अंदर से लगता था हाँ यार.
जिसको मिडिल एज क्राइसिस हो रहा है.
Correct.
Reclaim your life. ले लो.
Especially when we first drove the Safari, तो बड़ी dead लगी थी because we had a Fiat Sienna 1.6 back then. So I was lucky enough to start to learn on that car. So it was a 100 HP car. तो जब Safari चलाई, that was the first diesel turbo. Initially लगा यार ये तो बड़ी slow है. But gradually we learned अच्छा ठीक है turbo ऐसे चलता है, you have to wait for the turbo lag and stuff. But एक बार आ गई उसके बाद तो I remember cruising on the Yamuna Expressway, constant at 160 when it was open and all. Very.
So you just mentioned something about the Tata leadership and the Tata cars. At least some of the cars that Tata has come out earlier days, they have come out with cars like this, the Safari, and a couple of other cars also, which have been way ahead of their times. Can you elaborate on that?
ये ahead हो गई, Safari ahead हो गई ठीक ठाक, and then तुम्हारी Nano was also मतलब considering the money and the price and all, it was
The vision.
The vision, हाँ वो हो गया. और क्या, और कौन सी गाड़ी थी? Indica में तो issues बहुत थे.
Issues तो थे, but I think
first
even
indigenous car, good attempt, especially the price and the size.
dude, the
So,
designing of
design,
that
price,
car.
size, हाँ.
I think it was inspired. The design was inspired by Italians or
हाँ
I
Italian
think-
design, हाँ Giugiaro के शायद के साथ कुछ था, not very sure, तो उसको नहीं बोलूँगा, but हाँ.
Now coming to one of the most important parts of the whole podcast, this machine, Tata Sierra. कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? From where did you actually got this thought of getting a 30-year-old car and then restoring it? Talk to me about the entire journey, starting from the very beginning.
Right. So as a kid, I think I was 6 or 7 years old. That time I had a red colored toy Tata Sierra made by Interplast. Interplast के उस time toys आते थे. So उसकी एक Tata Sierra थी red जिससे मैं खेलता था. So I think in 2004 randomly I am also a diecast car collector. So एक हमारे diecast group पे somebody posted a white colored plastic Sierra from a brand called as Shinsei.
Okay.
It was a 200 rupee toy available. तो मैंने देखा इस said यार ये तो मेरे पास red होती थी and कहीं पे पड़ी भी होगी अभी, I don't remember. मैंने कहा okay let's purchase it and इसको मैं red paint कर दूंगा लेके. So I just ordered that car. And within 4 days, I received it. And रात को I came from office. I just opened the toy. I was playing with it. देखा मैंने, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा. तो I called a friend of mine, Amrinder. तो मैंने बोला यार काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, गाड़ी टॉय आया है ऐसे ऐसे. एंड बचपन में रेड होती थी. तो यार एक बार OLX खोल के देखना, कोई गाड़ी मिल रही है क्या, सियरा ले लें क्या. मतलब रैंडमली आई जस्ट आस्क्ड हिम
आउट ऑफ द ब्लू.
कोई प्लान नहीं, कुछ नहीं. रात के 11:30 बजे मैंने कहा देखना OLX पे जस्ट चेक कर, कोई सियरा दिख रही है आसपास. उसने खोला, दिल्ली सर्च किया, ऑब्वियसली कुछ नहीं था. मैंने कहा थोड़ा रेडियस बढ़ा, थोड़ा पंजाब साइड देख, कोई गाड़ी है. ऑन द कॉल सर्च किया एंड दिस कार पॉप्स अप. कहता पाजी लुधियाना साइड गाड़ी खड़ी है एंड रेड कलर है, दिखने में भी ठीक लग रही है, मतलब लुक्स ओके बट ऑर्नामेंटली इट इज़ ओके, सब कुछ दिख रहा है, बात कर लेता हूँ इनसे. एंड आई थिंक द प्राइस मेंशन वाज 1.3 लाख रुपीज़.
ओके.
मैंने कहा ठीक है. मैंने कहा, कहता नंबर भी वैलिड है गाड़ी का. आई सेड ओके, लेट्स टॉक टू हिम. तू कल बात कर एक बार, फिर देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट डे ही कॉल्ड मी बैक कि मेरी बात हो गई एंड एजेड अंकल हैं हु ओन्स दिस कार. एंड बातचीत हो गई, गाड़ी ठीक है, गाड़ी खड़ी है काफ़ी टाइम से बिकॉज हिज सन हैज़ मूव्ड अब्रॉड. तो चलते हैं, देख लेते हैं और क्लोज कर देंगे. एंड देयर इज़ अ बायर फ्रॉम केरला ऑल्सो हु इज़ इंटरेस्टेड. तो जल्दी क्लोज करना है. एंड आई थिंक इट वॉज वेंसडे. सो आई सेड ठीक है, सैटरडे को चलते हैं और गाड़ी ले आएंगे. तो फाइनली दिस कार वॉज इन दोसांझ कला. So दोसांझ कला इज़ अ विलेज फ्रॉम वेयर दिलजीत दोसांझ बिलोंग्स. तो इट इज़ नियर फगवाड़ा.
अच्छा.
तो मैंने कहा चल अब चलते हैं फिर. और गाड़ी लेके आनी थी, टाइम भी इतना था कि बस जाके लानी थी. सैटरडे को कुछ नहीं था, संडे वी प्लान.
ओके.
तो फाइनली वी गॉट सम ट्रेन टिकट्स, तत्काल में मिल गई एंड वी बुक द ट्रेन. और यहाँ से हम सुबह सुबह गए, वेंट टू द विलेज. वहाँ जाके गाड़ी देखी. अंकल भी बड़े अच्छे थे, उन्होंने गाड़ी दिखाई, फिर उन्होंने पूरा हमें खाना खिलाया बिठा के. बोले आप प्लीज़ आओ, हैव लंच विद अस. पूरा उन्होंने लोकल फार्म का, सब अपने फार्म का ही सारा देसी खाना. एंड इट वाज वेरी वेरी नाइस. फिर उन्होंने स्टोरी बताई गाड़ी की. सो ही हैड दिस कार फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम एंड ही हैड 2 Sierras ओरिजिनली, one white and one red. And both of his kids had shifted abroad. तो एंड ही वॉज ऑलमोस्ट 80 years of age, 75-80 के बीच में थे वो. तो बोले अब मैं चला तो अभी भी लेता हूँ बट अब मुझे दिखना कम हो गया है. एंड ग्रेजुअली मतलब ही वॉज आई थिंक प्लानिंग टू शिफ्ट अब्रॉड. तो बोले अब यार एक बेच दी थी 2 साल पहले, अब ये भी बेचनी है. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू गो टू अ पर्सन हु टेक्स केयर ऑफ द कार. एंड हमने कहा ठीक है जी, हम तो बिल्कुल इसको बहुत अच्छा कुछ करने वाले हैं. प्लान हमारा तो पूरा रिस्टोर करने का है. एंड ही सेड नहीं छेड़ना मत, आप गाड़ी सही है, बिकॉज इट वॉज ऑल ओरिजिनल विच वॉज वेरी सरप्राइजिंग. जब गाड़ी देखी तो इवन आई वॉज शॉक्ड कि यार सारा पेंट आज तक ओरिजिनल कैसे है. ऑलमोस्ट 28-year-old कार विद ओरिजिनल पेंट. इट वॉज एंड एवरीथिंग इंक्लूडिंग दीज emblems, they were intact, the old emblems of course, everything was intact. तो गाड़ी खड़ी थी बहुत टाइम से आई थिंक. सो वी बेसिकली बॉट इन सम डीजल. इसमें हमने 20 liters डीजल डाला, पंप किया, नई बैटरी लगाई. दिस हैज़ अ मैनुअल प्लंजर पंप डीजल का.
ओके.
पंप मारा, बैटरी लगाई, द कार स्टार्टेड विदाउट अ प्रॉब्लम.
वाओ.
स्टार्ट हो गई. टैंक में पुराना डीजल होगा, जो भी होगा 7-8 साल से पड़ा हुआ एज इट इज़. हम इसको पंप पे ले गए, PUC कराया, द कार पास PUC. अपना जो भी इसका प्री BS1 आती है ये, इट पास दैट.
ओके.
PUC लिया, हवा भराई गाड़ी में एंड वी ड्रोव द कार टिल लुधियाना. ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक 40 kilometers हमने गाड़ी चला के ले गए. ऑब्वियसली इट हैड इट्स ओन सेट ऑफ इशूज़ बट चल के गाड़ी लुधियाना पहुंच गई. एंड फाइनली फिर
बट मैकेनिकली स्टीयरिंग एंड ऑल इट वाज वर्किंग फाइन.
मतलब काम चलाओ ठीक था, चल रहा था ऑब्वियसली बट आई डिड नॉट क्रॉस 80. बट 80 तक भी चल गई वो. मतलब आई वॉज सरप्राइज्ड थैंकफुली. ठीक है, देयर वर इश्यूज लाइक इंजन में से थोड़ा बहुत ऑयल इधर उधर आ रहा था बाहर, थिंग्स वर लीकी, वो सब था. बट मेन पार्ट वाज इट वाज ऑल ओरिजिनल. 1,36,000 kilometers डन ओरिजिनली. बाकी मेंटेनेंस वगैरह ठीक ठाक थी इसकी. ऑयल कंडीशन वगैरह भी हमें ठीक लग रही थी, इतनी कोई ख़राब नहीं थी. एंड दीज आर ओल्ड इंडस्ट्रियल इंजन, इनका कुछ बिगड़ता भी नहीं. As far as I have read, so this is an old Peugeot engine.
Okay.
तो 3-3 लाख किलोमीटर चल जाते हैं without problem. कोई ऐसा इशू नहीं है. So we finally took it to Ludhiana. वहाँ पे we got it loaded up in a trailer, and then it came to Gurgaon.
And this is when did you get it exactly?
This is in 2024.
24.
May.
Okay.
So.
And then and how much time did you take to restore it?
Almost 1 year.
लग गया मतलब.
1 साल आराम से लग गया. Main time was in procuring the parts. Because the target was to make it factory fresh. तो original parts मिलना was tough.
Okay.
Some parts we got, some we had to fabricate. And बस वो originality के चक्कर में थोड़ा सा time ज़्यादा लग गया. बाकी
I think it will be interesting to do a walk around of the car also. Then you can
Right.
probably talk to us point by point about each and everything.
Right.
पहले कैसा आया था and you know how did you bring it up to spec
Correct.
like you have right now? Which parts are original? I think most of them are
yeah,
back
I would
to
say 99% of the car is original.
factory condition.
So yes.
चलो let's do a walk around then.
So basically when this car came,
हाँ
so everything was original.
हाँ
But उसके अलावा ये था because of age, everything was very brittle. So we had to be really careful while taking out things.
हाँ
And उसके बाद सारा उसको restore करने का जो process था. तो I'll just take you through.
हाँ हाँ
So like as we see, ये indicators जो थे हमारे, these are new now. ये हमने replace कर दिए थे. So this headlamp. So this is
one second, indicators new as in
indicators are brand new.
brand new
Brand
but
new. Replaced.
original ही है.
Original ही हैं, Lumax के original ही ढूंढे.
Okay.
So these came from Mumbai.
Okay.
Sourced it from Mumbai.
हाँ
And talking about these headlamps, so
Huh.
these are licensed by Stanley Japan, and this is a glass reflector.
okay
So this reflector inside was rusted.
okay
और अब ये glass वाला headlamp मिलता नहीं है.
हाँ
So what we did was we got the Tata 207 का headlamp
हाँ
with a plastic front.
हाँ
उसका front तोड़ के हटा के
हाँ
and इसका reflector हटा के I pasted the original glass on the new reflector. So that is how we were able to maintain the originality of this
nice
Japanese headlamp glass.
nice
बाकी coming to this grill,
हाँ
so ये हमें नहीं मिली sadly. We
हाँ.
searched a lot for the grill and these chrome mustaches.
नहीं but ठीक है यार I mean
Yeah, but if you see, मतलब it is pretty
हाँ,
brittle, बस ये, but
brittle
yes, हाँ, it is still okay. तो इसको हमने पेंट करके लगाया है. And talking about these mustaches, इनका सारा chrome खराब हो चुका था.
okay
So we basically did multiple round of hit and trials. तो इसमें finally we did a chrome paint,
okay
which comes in a can,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
but it was not lasting.
okay
तो chrome paint करके उसके ऊपर we did a PPF.
इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग नहीं ट्राई करी इसके ऊपर.
इतने छोटे पार्ट में टेंशन ये थी, 10 लोग थे करने वाले, बट
हाँ.
पार्ट गया और पार्ट नहीं मिला, भैया गुम गया.
हाँ.
तो ये पार्ट मिलता नहीं. सो आई वाज नॉट ओपन टू टेक दैट रिस्क.
okay
तो मैंने कहा जो करना है अपने पास ही करना है, किसी को देना नहीं है.
fair enough
गया तो गया, मिलेगा
fair
नहीं.
enough fair enough
ऑल्दो दिस अ वेरी, द पार्ट्स आर रियली वेरी चीप. मिल जाए तो बहुत सस्ता है. लाइक यू सी दीज साइड इंडिकेटर्स ऑन द
हाँ.
फेंडर,
हाँ
दिस इज हार्डली $40. $40, दैट्स इट. बट अब वो ये किसके पास क्या पार्ट है और कौन कितने प्राइस पे बेच रहा है,
हाँ
तो उसके ऊपर है.
okay
Talking about this central emblem,
हाँ
so this Tata Engineering emblem is the original Telco logo, which was inspired from the Mercedes-Benz logo if you see.
हाँ 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 yes yes
तो ये भी अब मिलता नहीं है. So for this is a copper based logo.
उस टाइम पे तो मर्सिडीज की भी कुछ गाड़ियाँ टेल्को बनाता था ना शायद.
The trucks, basically it was a collaboration with Tata and Mercedes. So इस कार
E-Class
का
भी तो एक बार E-Class भी तो I think-
E-Class का production was started in the Tata plant. Tata was the official vendor who, मतलब Tata was basically manufacturing the E-Class in their
Okay.
own plant.
okay
And I feel that is one of the reasons why Tata vehicles paint was really good till I think 2011-12. The quality was so good because they were using a similar paint shop, I guess.
okay
So talking about this logo, so this was a copper logo
हाँ
which had lost all its sheen.
okay
So I basically cleaned it, and after cleaning,
हाँ
basically made the paint,
हाँ.
same color का paint बनवाया, and injection और syringe लेके मैंने खुद fill किया है इसको, and fill करके फिर clear coat किया है, because that was the only way. ये तो मिलते ही
not
नहीं
bad मतलब I think
है. और कुछ नहीं हो सकता था.
your expression is like अब दोबारा इसके बारे में डिटेल में मत पूछना. बट एक बात बता, if this is the Telco का logo, I remember watching a few pictures of this emblem. यहाँ Telco का emblem होता था.
नहीं,
नहीं
Sierra में कभी नहीं होता था.
कभी नहीं होता था.
फर्स्ट जनरेशन जो बिल्कुल जब लॉन्च हुई थी, सो
हाँ.
दैट कार डिड नॉट हैव दीज इंडिकेटर्स.
Okay.
दैट ओनली हैड अ सियरा लोगो इन 1991.
okay
उस टाइम बिकॉज देयर वाज नो रेगुलेशन फॉर हैविंग साइड इंडिकेटर्स
हाँ.
इन इंडिया.
Okay.
उसके साइड मिरर्स थोड़े छोटे थे,
हाँ.
एंड देयर वाज नो इंडिकेटर ऑन द साइड. दैट हैड जस्ट अ सियरा लोगो.
I noticed the emblem on the wheel caps is also not really something I've ever seen before. You would know better.
Yes, so this is something unique again. So this logo what you see is the logo of the export spec Tata models. So Tata used to export this vehicle.
हाँ
It was rebranded as the Tata Gurkha, and it used to go to UK and Spain,
okay
because I think there was the Ford Sierra which was already selling in that market, so they could not brand it as the Sierra.
Ford Sierra.
Ford Sierra was a car.
A stupid question, but by any chance, that's one of the reasons why the new Sierra ka advertisement is very similar to the Bronco ka ad. Horses running and पीछे
वो तो
Sierra
कुछ ज़्यादा
चल
हो
रही
गया
है.
copy paste, but so I think that is like your Ford Endeavour and Everest वाला. India में they don't name it the Everest because of the
Right.
Everest मसाले I think.
हाँ.
तो वही इसका था कि Sierra already exist करती थी, so they called it the Tata Gurkha. So that is why this
Interesting.
is the UK spec emblem. So
Okay.
when I was looking, the wheel cap design was same. So when I was
Okay.
looking for new wheel caps,
हाँ.
so I was lucky enough to get these with these emblems. So this is
इससे
also
पहले इस
something.
पे क्या था? What was
इससे पहले व्हील कैप्स नहीं थे, दे
Steel.
वर ऑल गॉन. स्टील व्हील्स बचे हुए थे खाली,
Okay.
एंड टायर्स भी ओरिजिनल स्पेक के नहीं थे.
Oh.
So this car also came with these light truck specification wheels as per the brochure.
हाँ.
But I don't think there is even a single car which is using these wheels. They are slightly skinnier, but
हाँ.
since again we wanted to restore it to the original spec,
Hmm.
so I found a friend in Delhi who helped me source these tires from Japan.
Okay.
So these are Bridgestone V600 light truck tires.
Okay.
So these are of the exact same spec and
हाँ.
very similar tread pattern, which
Where-
came in the original car.
Where did you procure these from?
From Delhi itself.
Delhi itself.
So there's a person who keeps importing tires. So I think this is a grey market import. He helped me source these tires at a
लिखा
very
होगा ना
decent
कहीं
price.
made in.
Yes, definitely. So if you see here, you can see made in Japan
Oh.
and light truck.
Nice.
And I think when the factory shut down, so there are some scrap dealers who picked up all the parts as scrap from the factory,
Okay.
which was remaining in the factory. So those dealers helped me a lot in procuring all these parts. So I've received parts from Nagpur, Mumbai, Pune.
Dude, somehow you're able to connect with these people. I don't know how. तेरा स्टार्टिंग से मैं देखता हूँ सिंस व्हेनेवर यू हैव गॉटन इनटू दिस पैशन एंड परस्यूइंग दिस पैशन ऑफ रिस्टोरिंग कार्स तेरे को कहीं ना कहीं से कोई ना कोई पार्ट्स वाले मिल जाते
ये जुगाड़ तो चाहिए, उसके बिना आप रिस्टोर नहीं कर सकते until unless you have parts. Because fabrication is really tough of such things. और अब ठीक है, you have 3D printing and all, but not easy. So एक ऑप्शन था, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तो 3D print करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, but
एंड द पेंट इज ओरिजिनल.
paint we have repainted the entire car.
ओह
Yes, we have now resprayed the entire car. We have done a ground up restoration.
ओके
So thankfully there was zero rust in this car, which is very surprising. There was no rust at all.
इन अ
It was-
30-year-old कार.
Yes, it was always stored in a closed garage. So even
That's
the previous owner was really passionate about the vehicle, and he
It's a
had
fairly
really
good paint job.
kept it very nice. Yeah. So thankfully there was no rust, but
Yeah.
we still did a ground up restoration. Painted the car inside out. Basically
Oh.
removed everything and then painted the entire body except for the engine.
Okay.
And we did not take the body off the chassis because there was no rust.
लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द इंजन बे. खोल ना.
Yeah. Sure.
कहाँ है
इधर ऊपर
ये?
left.
सिएरा में पहले ये देते थे स्टैंड.
हाँ, ये तो आता था शुरू से. Yes. So this is the Tata DL483 as they call it,
ओके.
and this is a engine which is derived from a Peugeot XDP engine. Originally a XDP Peugeot engine. So उसी
कुछ
का derivative
Jeeps
है.
में भी होता था.
Correct. I
XDP.
think उस जमाने की सब गाड़ियों में ये Peugeot के engine से ही derive होते थे engines. So this is a 1.9 liter unit, non-turbo.
हाँ.
नॉन टर्बो डीजल आज के टाइम में किसी को शायद पता ही नहीं होगा कि डीजल में बिना टर्बो क्या होता है. So this is a non turbo diesel with indirect injection. And the DL483 naming is basically a diesel. 4 stands for 4 cylinder and 83 stands for 83 mm stroke of
Okay.
the block.
Okay.
So that is DL483.
You were also mentioning something earlier about the fact that some relation of this engine with the Indica older.
Yes, so Indica was also, I think engine was derived from the similar block, the older car, but it was, the number was I think DL47 something because of the smaller displacement of the car.
It was a different block then.
It was a different
It
block,
was a
yeah,
different
but I
block.
think derived from the similar thing.
Okay.
So,
And this
yeah.
is all original. And the engine is as it is.
This is all original.
Factory spec.
Yes, factory spec. It has done 136,000 kilometers on it
Okay.
without any rework till now, as per the previous owner. And
I
what?
see the Peugeot logo there. That's the Peugeot logo, no? I think.
No, I think that's the Delphi logo.
Delphi.
Delphi.
Delphi. Okay.
So what we basically changed on this engine was, first thing was to remove the radiator and get it completely serviced. So this is a copper based radiator.
Okay.
अब इसको खोलने और सर्विस करने वाले लोग भी नहीं मिलते हैं. So finally किसी ट्रक की वर्कशॉप पे भेज के उसको पूरा क्लियर अप करवाया. It was fine. Then after this we changed the timing belt of this.
Okay.
So this plastic cover was totally crusty. जब खोला वो पाउडर बन के टूट गया. And this was not available in the market.
How did you get it?
So finally we sourced it from Mumbai and ये turbo वाली कार का मिला. So this car had two variants.
Okay.
The DL483 and the DLT483.
But it matched and it fit.
There were some changes. So like यहाँ पे आप देखो हमने इसको काटा हुआ है. Because fit नहीं हो रहा था, belt इसमें touch हो रही थी.
Okay.
So manual alterations are always required in modification. छोटा मोटा करना है.
This was something that was probably coming out.
Yes, this was coming out and it was hitting the belt.
Ah.
तो उसके लिए टाइमिंग बेल्ट लगा के we had to finally cut this.
Okay.
And obviously all the belts were changed, new belts, new filters, and we also opened the tappet cover
Okay.
just to check the condition inside.
Okay.
And the cams were really shiny. When I saw, I was surprised कि इतनी चमक कैसे रही है डीजल इंजन की कैम. They were absolutely new condition. So despite 136,000 kilometers, it was
Dude,
in a pretty good shape.
136,000 kilometers plus खैर एज तो I don't think इंजन के internals पे फर्क उतना पड़ना चाहिए. I don't
Right.
think so, but
no seeps, no leaks, no nothing.
interesting.
And what we have modified slightly is the diesel filter of this car. Because the Sierra
one.
had slightly, this is the diesel filter, this is the steering oil.
This is the steering wheel. Okay.
Yeah, so the diesel filter was no longer available for this
Okay.
car. So people suggested कि आप Indica का लगा लो.
हाँ.
It is easy to find and अभी I think at least next 5 years तो मिल जाएगा सामान.
Okay.
So that is how we modified the housing and the filters to
Okay.
Indica.
Okay.
And air conditioner we have not touched, just to let it be original.
हाँ.
So this came with the old R12 gas.
हाँ.
Now we have everything with the R134. तो उतना मुझे modification करना नहीं था. So that we have kept stock as
Okay.
it is.
Okay.
बाकी we changed these bottles. The coolant bottles are new. The wiper washer bottle was new. ये छोटा मोटा
But these are not.
These are original.
Oh.
Original.
कहाँ से लाया है?
ये नागपुर से सोर्स हुई हैं. So there are dealers everywhere who have something or the other. छोटी चीज़. अभी recently I found out the wiper का कवर यहाँ पे जो छोटा सा कवर आता है नट कवर,
हाँ.
वो मुंबई में मिला है अभी मुझे.
मंगवा लिया.
वो ऑर्डर कर दिया, वेट करूँगा और कुछ आएगा तो साथ में उसको भेज एक साथ देना, क्योंकि जितने का कवर नहीं उससे ज़्यादा की शिपिंग है.
But I'm noticing one common thing that
Right.
जो भी तू procure करा है इसका और कर रहा है, it's mostly from Maharashtra.
Yes, mostly from Maharashtra. What I feel is because the plant was in Pune, so when the things was scrapped, so maybe dealers वहीं
The
के थे
production
जिन्होंने
line वहीं
who
है
picked
तो
up the
फिर वो
parts.
हाँ.
Yes.
Probably.
So that is
Makes
why
sense.
I feel. And
This is a bonnet light.
yes, this is a bonnet light.
You don't get these.
Yeah, you don't get these anymore. Yeah.
ये bonnet की light. ये.
Yes.
You don't get this kind of a light in modern cars. अगर अंधेरा हो जाए तो आपको कुछ नहीं नजर आएगा. But Tata Sierra,
Yes.
I don't know if the new Sierra has it, but
No, I don't.
I
think.
don't
The
think
Safari
so.
used to have it inside the bonnet somewhere. The older
Oh.
Safari, OG Safari. But अब तो I don't think.
so I think back then Tata knew that ये गाड़ी वो लोग खरीदेंगे जो they'll
खुद
probably
से
end
काम
up in
करेंगे
the
इस पे maybe.
or probably end up in the jungle where there's no
Yeah.
light.
Correct.
Nice. ये कहाँ है इसका स्टैंड?
And बस यहीं पे.
अच्छा ये रहा.
Right. And even if you
ये
see
होगा.
this badging,
हाँ.
so this is the original Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company Pune, as you can see here.
हाँ.
And इसको मैंने finally PPF से cover किया है, just to maintain it
Covered this with PPF. You've
Yes.
covered this chrome का mustache
with PPF.
with the PPF.
Correct. And even this cabin number. So this is the car which has a separate cabin number and a separate chassis plate. Because it's a ladder frame layout. I don't think अब किसी गाड़ी में cabin number अलग से आता है. This is like what trucks have. So similar to trucks. Cabin number अलग है and वो.
Damn interesting. Very nice. Dude, I think the rear glass is to die for. Still alive.
So these Alpine windows are something really unique, which make the Sierra what it is.
Of course.
And even talking about the today's car, so they have basically taken inspiration from this window. जैसे भी बनाया उन्होंने कलर करके पेंट करके, but inspiration यहीं से. And I think this is one of the most difficult part of the car to procure. So
Obviously.
whatever I spoke to people in the Sierra Club, so they said बस अगर आपकी गाड़ी में रस्ट नहीं है,
हाँ.
do not remove this glass for restoration. भले ही आपको कितना भी कीड़ा हो, नहीं मुझे फिनिशिंग नहीं आएगी, साइड में फिनिश नहीं आएगी, but they said do not remove.
But अगर मान लो तुझे rust मिलता, then how would you? Is there the glass? Do you have this glass available with people today?
I think there are 2-3 people who have this glass, but they ask a really absurd price, 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh for these two pair of glasses.
And back in the day, any idea what was the price of this glass? If anybody
No
was able
idea.
to tell you.
Back in the day, I am not very sure. But obviously इतना महंगा नहीं होगा क्योंकि पार्ट तो था ही और ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, प्रोडक्शन पार्ट है तो इतना महंगा नहीं होगा. बट अब क्योंकि अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. And thankfully my car had no rust, so
Look, that is
we
that is
kept it
something.
intact. And
That
क्योंकि
is something.
rubbers, we have also changed all the rubbers of the car.
Okay.
The door beadings and every beading. So ये beading भी नहीं मिल रही थी. So in case I had to open the glass,
हाँ.
ये old beading तो दोबारा नहीं लगती. So new
This is
beading.
new beading?
No, this is the original
अच्छा,
beading.
this
We
is
did
the
not
original
open
beading.
it ना. ये original है.
enough.
क्योंकि beading भी नहीं मिल रही है अब.
And this
It's no
is
longer available.
original beading? Yeah.
This is a new beading. This is original but new, brand new.
Again from Maharashtra somewhere. Has to be.
From Maharashtra, yes.
I'm surprised there is no scratch on the mirror.
So this is a brand new mirror again. Brand new. Brand new, original.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, I noticed this has a multi-link.
Yes. So even back in the day, this car came with a multi-link suspension. And I think that is one of the USP of all Tata cars. They are
महिंद्रा
known
ने
for-
जो पहली थार निकाली थी ना उसमें भी multi-link
नहीं था, हाँ. And this had a multi-link in 1991.
Multi-link and coil spring suspension.
Coil spring
Coil
suspension.
spring and shock suspension.
Correct, correct. So even in 1991, they had this. And I think Tata is known for their comfort and
Yeah.
ride quality
Hmm.
and air conditioning. तो वो I think उनकी सारी गाड़ियों में standard है. Beat the Tata Nano.
Nice.
उसका भी AC इतना solid था, राइड अच्छी थी. Beat the Indica,
हाँ.
beat the Safari, जिसकी राइड मुझे आज भी अपनी Endeavour से भी ज़्यादा comfy लगती थी. And beat the Sierra. So
Damn good, dude. You've really put in your heart and soul. You wanna get inside?
अभी पीछे तो चलें.
हाँ पीछे आ जाओ
रह
आ
गया.
जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ जहाँ आप लेके चलो.
एक मिनट इसको.
हाय मिट्टी
रह गई.
कैसे आ गई यार.
अरे रह गई होगी सफाई में. हाँ. So coming to the rear of the car,
हाँ.
इसमें again we have new tail lamps, both the sides because the older one was
But
all baked
again,
out.
original.
All original. And then talking about this part. So the non-turbo variant had the bumper in 3 pieces.
Okay.
There's the central metal piece,
हाँ.
which is original.
Okay.
The side corners were made out of
Original
fiber.
as in you got it with the car.
Yes, this is
Okay,
original.
okay.
We just repainted it.
Understood.
And these side corners were basically originally made out of fiber,
Simple
regular fiber.
Plastic fiber.
Plastic
Okay,
fiber.
Fiber.
तो वो अब अवेलेबल नहीं है और अवेलेबल है भी तो इट वाज इन अ वेरी बैड क्रूड शेप. तो वी थॉट ऑफ फैब्रिकेटिंग दिस.
Okay.
So a member in Mumbai from the Sierra Club, he had made one for his car. So I literally begged him कि please एक मेरी गाड़ी के लिए बना दे. Or he had to take off his bumper corners again, and but he helped me a lot.
Okay.
2 महीने लगे but 2 महीने में he got this made and finally I was able to put it back.
उसको भी तेरा प्यार समझ में
समझ में आ गया कि इतना काम चल रहा है. Then talking about this stepney cover again,
हाँ.
ये मिलना तो मुझे so this was the first part जो मैंने खरीदा इस गाड़ी का. जिस
अच्छा.
दिन हमने गाड़ी खरीदी
हाँ.
हम शाम को ट्रेन में बैठे लुधियाना से.
हाँ.
ट्रेन में बैठ के मैंने गाड़ी के पार्ट ढूंढने शुरू कर दिए.
हाँ.
फर्स्ट थिंग आई केम अक्रॉस वाज दिस. मैंने कहा ये कैसे मिल गया. एंड इट वाज अ वेरी चीप, आई थिंक 450 रुपीज़ का पार्ट. दिस वाज देयर इन नागपुर विद अ जेंटलमैन. तो आई कॉल्ड हिम. ही सेड हाँ मेरे पास है. मैंने कहा कितने हैं. बोला 2. मैंने कहा आप 2 भेज दीजिए. आई पेड.
मतलब he was selling it.
He was selling it. He had 2 of these surprisingly.
He was a Sierra owner or
No. He was a part dealer.
Part
But he
dealer.
has he
अच्छा,
had
अच्छा.
surprisingly 2 of
Okay,
them.
okay.
तो मैंने कहा 2 भेज दो क्योंकि इसके बिना द लुक इज इनकम्प्लीट. जब तक ये स्टेपनी कवर नहीं है पीछे से गाड़ी इज इनकम्प्लीट.
And I noticed Stepney का टायर Seat का है.
हाँ.
So this is the factory
दिस इज द
tire.
फैक्ट्री ओरिजिनल टायर. उस
वाले?
टाइम पे नहीं
नहीं,
बहुत
फट जाएगा.
खराब है खराब से टायर. मतलब वैसे घिसा हुआ अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
एक चीज तो खराब दिखा दे.
मजा आएगा नहीं.
Interesting.
तो
Not bad.
ये हो गया.
हाँ.
बाकी इवन इसका बताता हूँ. सो दिस इज द डीजल फिलर एंड गाड़ी तो पूरी पेंट कर दी बट ये बिट वी हैव लेफ्ट ओरिजिनल एंड आई वाज रियली सरप्राइज्ड टू सी दिस. 20 psi इज द ओनली प्रेशर. फ्रंट का 20 psi है देखो. रेयर का 27 एंड 20 psi है. लेडन एंड अनलेडन.
अनलेडन दोनों ही पीस है.
अनलेडन दोनों ही 20 है और लेडन 20 एंड 27 है. आई थिंक दैट ऑल्सो लीड्स टू द गुड राइड क्वालिटी.
But then
आज की date
आजकल why is everybody like recommending, all OEMs are recommending 35, 36, 35?
आई थिंक बिकॉज दे आर फोकसिंग मोर ऑन माइलेज. फर्स्ट थिंग जितना ज़्यादा हवा भरोगे माइलेज बेटर आएगी.
High cross
EVs
में
में इट इज
35.
टचिंग 40, 42. EVs में और बढ़ गया है
But
बिकॉज
the
ऑफ
car runs very hard.
या वेरी हार्ड. राइड क्वालिटी इज ऑल्सो वेरी पुअर. आई थिंक इस टाइम पे द पर्सन हु वाज बाइंग दिस कार In 91, I think maybe he is traveling in a GLS today. Who had this car in 91 originally. आज वो बंदा वहाँ पहुँच चुका होगा तो उसको I think mileage से इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता होगा. And despite this tire pressure, this car easily gives you a mileage of 10 kmpl. 9 to 10, very very easily. Yeah.
Like today.
Yes, like today. 9-10 की एवरेज कहीं नहीं जाती इस गाड़ी की. So
वो 5 की देती है.
वो 6-7 की देती है.
वो भी टाटा की है.
Yes.
Fun question, and I will not cut this out of the podcast. Why do you have a Maruti key?
So ये काफ़ी सैड स्टोरी है. गाड़ी के साथ ओरिजिनल की थी, बट while restoration, one of the mechanics lost that key.
Then the whole thing you had to change, entire lock sets were to be changed.
नहीं.
Then
तो लॉक्स इस गाड़ी के काफ़ी वीक हैं, तो हमने मारुति की चाबी ली, उसको मॉडिफाई करा, साइज सेम था, उससे गाड़ी खुल रही है. तो लॉक सेट अवेलेबल था, बट मैंने कहा नहीं खोलना है. तो
nice.
एंड दिस द ओरिजिनल की ऑल्सो डिड नॉट हैव अ टाटा लोगो. इट हैड अ समथिंग ICL करके कुछ लोगो था उस पर.
ICL.
कुछ ICL करके कुछ था. इट वॉज नॉट अ
अच्छा,
टाटा
अच्छा,
लोगो ऑन द ओरिजिनल की.
Okay.
I even checked with a person in Tata who was there in the plant when this car was made. A very senior employee in Tata Motors. He said, "Ha, that is the original key. There was no Tata logo on the key that time."
Very interesting.
ऐड बड़ी हो गई.
ऋषभ पीछे सोडा की बोतल पड़ी है, क्या कर रहा था तू?
पानी है उसमें खाली.
अच्छा.
एक सेकंड. Just give me one moment.
Dude, this thing had power wind. You have to hear the engine. 30 years down the line, this thing runs as smooth as silk. It's beautiful to listen to. हाँ जी,
Okay.
लगाओ, start. Damn good.
Just leave it, हाँ. छोड़ सकते हो उसको तो. Solid लोहा.
नहीं, मैं नहीं छोड़ता वैसे. ऑफ कर दे अब तो.
रहने दे ऑन, कोई नहीं. सारी गेजेस वगैरह मर्सिडीज से इंस्पायर्ड हैं. इवन द स्टीयरिंग व्हील डिज़ाइन and whatever things you see here, they are all inspired from Mercedes-Benz.
Okay.
बाकी each and every single thing is working. This is a unique switch which you can see.
What's this?
So this is a dimmer for the inside light.
Oh,
So if you want to dim it, you can just press this, it will dim it.
they had that back in the day?
Yes, this is the original switch
Okay.
and original horn, still working till date.
Nice.
And standard air conditioning. These are the small 3-inch speakers. तो
Oh.
इसमें ओरिजिनल स्पीकर्स थे 3 इंच के. बड़ी
हाँ.
मुश्किल से 3 इंच के ढूंढने हैं स्पीकर. मिलते ही कहाँ है अब 3 इंच के आज की डेट में स्पीकर.
हाँ.
And the knob which you see over here,
हाँ.
this is a idling. Basically, this is like a diesel choke. It alters your idling for the diesel engine, diesel pump.
Oh. Okay.
Initially, we also didn't understand ये यार ये है क्या.
हाँ.
क्या काम है इसका, बिकॉज कभी
हाँ.
डीजल गाड़ी देखी नहीं, चौक है ऐसी चीज़ वाली.
हाँ, हाँ,
Then
हाँ,
I
हाँ,
finally came to know कि अच्छा ये उसको ऑल्टर करने के लिए. The
Okay.
idling speed of the car.
Oh, that's something I've heard of for the first time. मैंने कभी
Right.
सुना नहीं था इस चीज़ के बारे में.
हाँ.
Okay.
And talking about the audio system,
हाँ.
so in order to again maintain the stock feel,
हाँ.
so I had my old Sony audio from
हाँ.
my Fiat Sienna,
हाँ.
which had a built-in Bluetooth,
Okay.
single tin player. तो मैंने
Okay.
उसको फिर इसमें इंस्टॉल किया just to keep it neat and also functional with Bluetooth.
Nice.
So that is what we are using here.
Nice.
बाकी you have a small light over here.
हाँ.
Which
Dude,
is-
you were telling me something about the air conditioner that this thing has rear AC.
Yes, this has rear AC vents as well. So the first car that time which had rear AC vents.
Nice.
So this has rear AC vents over here.
I think after this car also काफी साल तक the OEMs did not give a rear AC.
Rear AC तो हाँ सही में.
Safari में
I think
था?
Safari was one car. Yes, Safari में था.
Safari
also came with an upgraded roof blower, roof AC, which was again first in the segment at that
I think
time.
इसके बाद probably properly अगर किसी में आया तो Qualis में probably आया.
Qualis में आया था.
The Toyota Qualis.
Correct.
had
Qualis and Safari. These two cars had the rear AC.
that. Interesting.
So this has vents in the rear. Baki, the door pads what you're seeing here,
हाँ.
these are all original. No modification, no alteration. These are still original till date. ये जहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत फटा था, we are just pasted leather
This thing
Just-
is held up, yaar.
Yeah, just in
Held
order to
up.
maintain the originality of this, we have not changed. And this is
Even the dash, right? It's
Yes.
fully original.
Correct. And even this light used to light up. Abhi nahi jali, pata nahi kya hua. This door open warning light is also working. Abhi I don't know what happened. This also works.
Interesting.
So
Very interesting. वो हो गया होगा, must have been
नहीं
like a
जली।
small wiring.
हाँ,
this thing,
right,
something
right,
whatever.
right. तो
30
वैसे-
साल हो गए यार, कम रहम कर.
correct. And these power window switches are not original. ये नहीं मिले. बहुत ढूंढ के भी नहीं मिले. So there is some difference. So we have replaced
Doesn't
it
matter,
also.
dude. This car has power windows. I think that itself.
And it's working. Windows are working
It's
at
working.
least. So yes.
Damn good, damn good. Backseat comfort.
हाँ, left seat से चलता है ना.
Show me the rear seat comfort.
Yes.
Nice.
So originally the Sierra came with this seat,
हाँ.
which used to just slide ahead
हाँ.
and slightly move ahead, so
Okay.
that you can climb in.
Okay.
But the guy who had this car, he was aged and
हाँ.
he also was into sort of some modifications. उनको बहुत शौक था कुछ करने
हाँ,
का.
हाँ.
तो उन्होंने सीट को alter किया
हाँ.
and he has changed the original seat.
Okay.
And this seat now tips and tumbles. So it goes down and lifts up. Wait, इसको. Sorry.
नहीं कोई
This
नहीं.
will lift up like this. So now you have perfect access to the rear. Just see the
Wait.
access, please.
जूते गंदे हैं, ठीक है.
हाँ, that's fine, please.
Dude, this is I think way more comfortable than most of the cars today in the market.
Right, especially with the view you see.
आ जाओ जी, आ जाओ जी, आ जाओ. ओय होय होय होय.
Yeah. So you have enough leg room, enough headroom, and especially these alpine windows give you a view which is really something else.
Dude, it's insane. I think. Wow, I don't have the
Correct.
right words.
And these handrest armrests on
you
the
have
side.
an armrest right on top of the wheel.
And
well.
you have this ashtray.
This was original.
Yes, this is original. This ashtray is original.
Oh, there's another ashtray. अच्छा ये तो खैर
वो एक missing है.
it's missing.
That's
Okay.
not there, but हाँ, this ashtray is original यहाँ पे.
But all these handles, these panels,
These are all original, yes. All panels are all original.
these washers
Yes.
and all.
Washers,
everything.
yes, we have basically changed to new
Changed,
washers.
okay.
Original washers were all
Okay.
rusted. But these panels, this all leather material, this is all original. We have only worked on the seats, redone
Okay.
all this upholstery. So Siddharth Shankar helped me get an image from the 1996 Autocar magazine.
Okay.
उसके इंटीरियर्स की फोटो देख के हमने ये पूरी सीट्स को रीअपहोल्स्टर किया है. सो दिस वाज ऑल ब्राउन वेलवेट, जैसे कारपेट्स नहीं चलते थे बीच में, वो कारपेट वाला इंटीरियर का एक टाइम था 90s में.
वो time था.
तो ये सारा वैसा मॉडिफाई हुआ था, इंक्लूडिंग द रूफ. यहाँ पे एक सेंट्रल बड़ी सी लाइट भी थी जैसे घरों में लगाते हैं लोग. तो वो सारा मैंने चेंज करके पूरा इंटीरियर रीडू किया है. एंड दिस इज अ बेसिक वेलवेट मटेरियल अभी.
Velvet, you have used it by your own choice.
Yes. Because the original, there was a material which was used in cars back in the day, which had some small perforations. वो original
Okay.
material नहीं मिल रहा
Okay.
था. So I said ठीक है, why not use velvet material over here? क्योंकि यहाँ तक cover करना था तो ठीक है, it gives a decent feel. तो
Dude, I think this is the best. I genuinely don't think, not like I'm comparing any other car, but genuinely I don't think any SUV has this level of comfort and view
right,
at the same time.
correct.
Even in today's time.
Absolutely.
Probably the Range Rover autobiography. But again, it's a Tata product now, so
Alright. Even the seat belts are not self-reeling seat belts. So
Oh.
if you see here, you have to mount them over here, and you can wear them and then basically tighten them as per your requirement.
Acha. So when you just have to belt yourself
Just belt
and
and then retighten them. Yes. So they don't self-reel in.
put it into perspective, even racing seat belts you have to do the same. Okay. Music system चलता है?
हाँ, चलता है. Bluetooth
But
के
ये
साथ
तो
चलता
you
है.
would have changed it, ना?
This I have upgraded.
Obviously,
ये तो
हाँ.
था नहीं इसमें, तो ये मैंने change किया है. तो
Nice यार.
but kept a single din system just to maintain the original looks.
कितना देती है ये गाड़ी?
9 से 10 kmpl आराम से. With 20 psi air pressure.
Very interesting. You were telling me something about the service maintenance cost also. Service cost. अगर मान लो ये
हाँ.
गाड़ी आज legal
Right.
होती,
Yes.
तो what would have been the service cost?
Service cost is really cheap. It is around $3,500. That's it. So this car uses 15W40 mineral engine oil, which costs you not more than 1700 rupees for 7.5 liters. And the air filter is around $200. The diesel filter is around $250, and the oil filter is around again $300.
What about the gearbox oil, gear oil?
Gear oil is also very simple. It is 80W90, which you're using. So that you have to replace once every 60,000 kilometers. So all that we have changed.
Interesting.
And this car comes with a dogleg gearbox. Since you're talking about the gearbox now, this is a dogleg gearbox.
What is that?
It is called the GBS16.
Okay.
So basically, जैसे trucks में होता है ना आपका, first gear is behind and reverse is उठा के आगे. If you see,
हाँ. That's why.
yes, this is the first gear. So this is the dogleg gearbox.
Nice.
So this was only there in the non-turbo car.
God, I miss this typical Tata wobble. I remember this in the Safari.
Right. So
Nice.
this was only there in the non-turbo cars.
This is
These
the,
are the small
rear AC.
Teeny weeny AC vents, yes.
Ay.
So the AC of this car is not really good, especially considering the age of the car and also because of these alpine windows. So back in the day, people used to put big curtains on these windows.
I remember.
Curtains wala
I
fanda
remember.
chalta tha, ab to khair it is not allowed. And even people used to cover this part. If you can see this small line, so even on this car, this was all jet black, the top area.
Oh, okay.
Yes, just to avoid heat from coming in.
Okay.
But we cleaned it all up and made it back to original. So this is what some modifications which people used to do.
This is brilliant, dude. I think this is the best view
Right.
which you will never get in cars or any back seat.
Especially because of the, I think, safety norms also now. So it is really
Yes.
difficult to give this in rollover crash tests. and all.
It's better to not blame.
Correct. I think that is one reason why Tata has not given it.
Damn good, yeah. Nice. Come on, your handle. I don't think किसी भी गाड़ी से उतरना भी इतना आसान है.
Seat cushion देखा तूने कितना अच्छा है?
Yes.
We have not modified the cushion. We have just upgraded the covers. Foam में कोई change नहीं है.
Foam is the
It is
same.
all the original foam. You can see. Foam वही पुराना है. Foam नहीं touch किया है. कुछ
How
भी
come
modify
it
नहीं
didn't
किया है.
get
It's not saggy.
चूहे वगैरह नहीं खा गए?
नहीं चूहे कभी नहीं आए गाड़ी में thankfully. No rats. No rat infestation till now thankfully.
That means the gentleman had kept it also
In a
properly.
closed garage, yeah, he kept it. See, no rust in a Tata car. Tata cars were known for rust. कि यार rust आ जाती है, ये हो जाता है, but zero rust.
Ah. Damn good.
So now coming to the boot of the car.
हाँ.
So ये basically जो आप देख रहे हो साइड में लगे हुए हैं. So this was something which people used to modify back then.
हाँ.
Speakers पीछे लगा लेते थे इसमें.
मैं बैठ जाऊँ?
And छोटा सा हाँ प्लीज. बम्पर पे पैर रख के बैठ सकते हो यार.
नहीं यार नहीं लगाए हैं, पता नहीं तू डांट दे. हाँ.
बच्चों के बैठने लायक ठीक है. तो मैंने इसको चेंज नहीं किया. मैंने कहा ठीक है दिस इज हाउ पीपल यूज्ड टू कीप इट. तो मैंने इसी को रीअपोस्टर करके आई हैव जस्ट केप्ट इट. बट ओरिजिनली द बूट इज अ डिसेंट साइज बूट आई गेस. एंड इवन दिस सीट कैन टिप एंड टम्बल अहेड, गिविंग यू ह्यूज स्पेस. तो
This seat, but okay, I might be going a bit overkill, but let's say अगर हम ये बॉक्स हटा दें
हाँ.
और हम ऐसी सीट्स लगाएं जो पूरी फ्लैट हो जाए,
यस.
क्या बात.
यू हैव अ मिनी वेलफेयर.
Damn neat, yeah. Very nice.
So there were people who used to do lot of modifications on these cars. Sierra stock तो वैसे नहीं मिलती थी. So I've seen cars which had gullwing doors before Tesla gave them. So people used to cut the window वाला area पीछे and यहाँ से door बनाते थे. It used to open like
अच्छा हाँ,
gullwings.
I saw something like that on
Yes.
YouTube.
So
But
There were
it's so
cars.
sad. I mean that especially Delhi NCR कि आप ये गाड़ियाँ रख नहीं सकते.
रख भी सकते हो तो बस अब शोपीस की तरह रख सकते हो.
एक चीज़ तो
फ्लैट
prove
बेड पे
हो गई.
लेके घूम सकते हो.
एक चीज़ तो प्रूव हो गई कि गाड़ी के पार्ट्स आपको मिल जाएंगे, ढूंढोगे तो मिल जाएंगे.
Yes, of course. Service parts are no problem. Service parts सारे दिल्ली में अवेलेबल हैं.
हाँ.
Because it also shares some parts with Sumo. Sumo बहुत लेट
हाँ,
तक आई है.
of course.
तो
Correct,
इतना प्रॉब्लम
correct,
नहीं है.
correct,
Filters and
correct,
all are very easily available. Cosmetic parts is a challenge.
बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है यार. I mean the whole thing about NGT.
Even this door cover is all original. छोटा मोटा wear and tear है इसमें, as you can see.
हाँ तो चलो.
But I have kept it original, not changed. So
Brilliant. And there is no wobble on the tire.
nothing at all.
Damn, dude.
And this is also mounted slightly on the right side rather than the
Huh.
center, which we see now
Yeah.
in vehicles. So I think this looks much better and cool.
In a world obsessed with 2026 tech, touchscreens, and disposable appliances, there is something deeply grounding about a 30-year-old engine that still hums with life. Rishabh didn't just save a car, he saved a feeling. He preserved the tactile click of a mechanical switch and the panoramic view of a world that looks different through alpine glass. As the sun sets on our time with this mint condition icon, we're reminded of what Mr. Ratan Tata always championed, that integrity survives the test of time. This Sierra isn't a museum piece. It's a living, breathing bridge between a boy's toy and a man's mission. The road ahead might be electric and automated, but as long as machines like this exist, the heart of internal combustion will never stop beating.